Greetings and welcome to Getting Connected to MyITLab. I think one of the worst things an instructor can do is adopt some technology but not walk you through how to get connected or use it. So in this video I will show you how to register for MyITLab and get inside the course that you'll be using. Now at this point I should give you a little bit of word of caution. MyITLab works best using Google Chrome browser. Yes, you may use Firefox, yes, you may use Safari, you may use Microsoft Edge, but it really does behave best in Google Chrome. So I recommend, if you don't have Google Chrome, download it and use it for this software that you're going to be using, this technology you're going to be using. So I've opened up my Google Chrome, I've gone to google.com, and I'm just going to search for register MyITLab. I don't know what the actual web link is. You can see it right here on my screen, that it is Pearson, MyLabs, and Mastering.com, blah, blah, blah. It's a big, long list. So if I just go to Google and type in register MyITLab, I will get to Get Registered Students, MyITLab Pearson. I've clicked on that link and it takes me to the registration page. This is great. Now, you need some information to get connected. One is you should have some emails from your instructors. You should have a course ID, and you should have your access code or a credit card so you can buy your access code. But here's the thing. You don't need your access code today. I'm not going to provide an access code today because once I get connected to the system, MyITLab is going to give me 2 weeks free access. And at that point, before those 2 weeks are up, I do need to purchase my access code, if I don't already have one, and apply it to my account. But up until 2 weeks, I can use the system for free, I can do my homework, I can get everything done. So now that I know what it's expecting me to have, I'm going to go ahead and click OK, Register Now. And of course, when you're registering, it's going to ask you for some basic information. One is your name, your number, your this, your that, your regular contact information. And then the second is this course ID. Course ID is going to be your instructor's last name and a 5-digit number. So in the event of my course ID will be, I'm just going to say man 1 2 3 4 5. That is not the course ID. Your instructor needs to provide this information to you. And they usually do it either on via email, or they may actually put it into their course management system like Blackboard or Canvas or whatever that you use for your college. But this is how I'm going to get connected, using this man 1 2 3 4 5. That is not a real course ID. Remember, you get this course ID from your instructor. And if you do have any questions about what the course ID is, contact your instructor and they'll let you know exactly what it is. Then you're going to click Continue. So now I'm on the page where I'm going to create an account. You're going to put in your email address, and by default your username is going to be your email address. You're going to put in a password, retype in your password, your first, your last name, and a security question. Read the user end agreement. If you agree to it, then you can create your account. Now, here's the thing. I've already created my account, so I'm going to have to put in some phony information, but I do want you to see how I'm putting it into the screen. So I'm just going to say my email address. And again, by default, it puts in my email address for my username. If you don't want that, you can change it up. You can also change this later, so don't worry if you kind of goof a little bit. It's okay. You can change it later. A password. There are password guidelines. 8 characters, at least 1 letter, or at least 1 number, at least 1 capital letter. You can't use your name. It will prevent you from using your name, and you can't use special characters. other than underscores and stuff like that. So just follow the user guidelines. Let's see. I'm going to do one, I think. That might work. My first name, my last name. And then I'm going to pick a security question. So let's see. I'm going to pick whatever that's here. And I'm going to say my mother's year of birth is, I don't know, 1500, whatever it may be. You should always read your license so you know what you are agreeing to. Once you read through it, you can accept the license agreement. It is at this point you do want to check to make sure that your course is the course that you want to get into. But generally, if you didn't have the right course ID, then you wouldn't hit a course by accident. Then I'm going to create my account. Here's your option. If I do not if I don't have my access code yet, then it's okay, all right? I can just continue to go to log in and I will have access code. See, it says get temporary access code without payment for 14 days. If I haven't purchased my required materials, I can get this temporary access. So I'm going to go ahead and click on temporary access, and it says, are you sure? And I said yes. And then I will be able to go into my class. My registration to get into my class environment will be completed in 14 days, and there will be some warning all on my account. I can say go to my account, and you'll see that my account, I'm going to close that out, move this over so you can see it better. It says my temporary access expires in 14 days. And every time you sign in, they will let you know you are using temporary access only. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, be sure to contact your instructor. If that instructor is me, go ahead and contact me via email or discussion board, and I will happily help you through. So until next time, be seeing you.